Assalamualaikum, my name is Asad Iqbal and today I'm going to tell you that how can you see the password of your Wi-Fi. Basically, when we have connected with the Wi-Fi and we are not knowing the password, or we can say that we have forget the password, we can see that password or we can recover that password by some commands. And today I'm going to tell you about those commands. First of all, what you need to do is you have to go for a CMD. That is, you can directly go for that by pressing the window plus R, like in this way, and you have to write over here CMD command prompt, right? तो आप जैसे ही ये काम करोगे then you will be having CMD is written over here. You will go OK for it. Now you are going to see this option in front of you. So let's suppose this is the screen in front of me. What I need to do is I have to make sure कि मैं यहाँ पे जो command दूंगा ये command अपने ज़हन में रखनी है. I'll give it to in description also so that it is easy for you. You can copy over from that place and you can paste over there. And the main important thing is basically that what you write to concentrate is that आपने यहाँ पे जो mention करनी है चीज़ वो क्या है आपके पास. सबसे पहले you have to write net sh, and after that you have to place WLAN, and then you have to say show profile. By doing this you are showing that how many connections you have used on your laptop, like whatever the Wi-Fi you have connected in the past, you can see all of them which are being connected in your laptop. So for that I'm going to press enter, and you can see that there are many connections which have been used. You can see this, all of these are there. All right, so if I want to see any password of them, like मुझे इनमें से किसी का भी एक पासवर्ड चाहिए and I've just forget, या फिर मेरे पास है connected था लेकिन someone has changed that, so I can see that how, just writing this statement again. Let's suppose here you are going to write this again, and after that what you need to do is you have to mention over here that what is the name of that. For example, we are having multiple over here. We are having a prime ds. Let me copy this. मैं इसी को कॉपी कर लेता हूँ यहाँ पे, एंड डबल कोटेशन के अंदर यहाँ पे मेंशन करूँगा दिस वन, डबल कोटेशन क्लोज, डबल कोटेशन क्लोज, एंड देन यू हैव टू राइट की इज इक्वल टू क्लियर. ये आप जैसे ही करोगे, इंटर प्रेस करोगे, यू कैन सी यहाँ पे आपको डिफरेंट डिटेल्स आएंगी. उनमें से एक डिटेल आपको यहाँ पे नज़र आ रही होगी, दिस वन. Alright, so you can use this through this way. Thank you. Hopefully you like this video and you have seen this video, and you have got the point that how can you find the password. Thank you so very much, and Allah Nigeban.